The number 3754 expressed to the nearest 100 is. Alright, so in this question we have a number and we want to express it to the nearest 100. So what do? Remember, of course, that when we are writing numbers, we start from units, right? And then we have tens, and then we have hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, millions, on and on and on. Alright, so we start from the unit, we have 10, we have 100. So we focus in therefore on the 7 here, this number here. Alright, so the 7 followed immediately to the right by a 5 means that we're going to take the 7 and change it to an 8. So that to the nearest 100, 3754 would actually be 3800. What about if we had asked the nearest 10? We would do the same thing. Alright, we start with the units, we have the tens. So in this case, the number under consideration would be 5. 5, we look to the right of the 5 and we have 4. So 4 being less than 5, we would then have 3750. And this would be to the nearest 10. Right? Nearest 10. This would be to the nearest 100. Right? And what about if, for argument's sake, they had asked for it to the nearest 1000? Well, of course, we do the same thing again. Units, tens, 100, 1000. So we take the 1000 here, the 1000 digit which is 3. We look across to the right and we see that it is followed immediately by a 7, which is obviously more than 5. So we change this 3 to a 4 and we get 4,000 to the nearest 1000. Alright? To the nearest 1000. So that is it. 3800 to the nearest 100, 3750 to the nearest 10, and 4,000 to the nearest 1000. Right? Quick revision of some of the basic numerics. That's the answer. So that in this case of the multiple choice, your answer would actually be answer C, 3800.